How to turn on notification on Grab application. Are guys facing issues to turn on notification on Grab application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Grab application on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the top right corner of the screen, where you can see a profile icon. Tap on it. Now scroll down, click on Settings, select the first option, Communications. After you click on it, now just toggle all these options. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna turn on notification on Grab application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding Grab application, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. Bye bye.